Shopify dropshipping review. In this video, I will give you my honest dropshipping Shopify so that you can have an idea, so that you will have an idea on how to use Shopify for dropshipping or for your e-commerce business. As you can see that I have an access with Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access with Shopify 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can get an access with Shopify 30 days free trial. Now let me show you on how to add your own products on Shopify. You have to click here the products. Under products, you can help to add your own product, or you can also import existing product here. Let me show you how to add your own product here. Now I'm just gonna click here to add a product. So what's gonna happen now, after you click here, you will have to put the title of the product that you want to sell on Shopify dropshipping. You have to put the title here, and then after you put the title, you have to write a product description. But what I like about Shopify is that Shopify, it has an AI writing tool that is gonna write any product description for you automatically. I'm just gonna click here to generate text, and then you have to put some keywords that this AI tool is gonna write the product description for you automatically. For the tone of voice, keep it like default. There's an expect. I'm gonna click here to generate. As you can see that, guys, now this AI tool, it is generating text for me automatically. After that, I'm gonna click here to keep it, or you can rewrite it again if you don't like the text. You can make it bigger, the paragraph, the description, it's up to you. Then you can go to media. Under media on Shopify, you have to select the product that you want to sell so that your customers, they will see what kind of product that you are selling. After that, you have to go to category. Under category, you have to choose the category which your product falls under which category. There are so many categories here. And then after doing that, you're gonna go to pricing. Under pricing on Shopify, you have to put the price so that how much, which means that how much you want to sell your product. Like how much your customers they have to pay. Then for the cost per item, it means that like how much is costing you to purchase this product. For your supplier, it will show you the profit that you'll be making, and also the margins that you are making, on this kind of product that you are selling, guys. Okay. Then you can also inventory. You can leave a default on unselect the inventory. It is up to you. For the shipping, leave it like that, guys. Okay. Then you can also save this product. It is so easy to add a product on Shopify. I hope you saw that. Then when you go to collections, if you have multiple products on your Shopify store, they will be listed here under collections on Shopify. You'll see all of those multiple products that you uploaded here on Shopify. Now let's go to customers. Under customers, you can also see the customers who purchased from you, who ordered in the past. You can also import existing customers. If you already a database of customers, you can also import them here. It's going to help you a lot, to see all of those customers here. You can also go to analytics. Under analytics on Shopify, you can see the total sales that you got, based on a specific day or based on a specific month. Then you can also see the online store conversion rate, like how your store it is performing. Maybe you're getting 10% conversion rate, which is very, very high, which is very, very good. Then you can also see the total orders that you got on your store. Then you can also see the top selling products on in your Shopify store, so that you can focus on ones that they are getting the most sale, guys, so that you can help you to scale up your own Shopify store. Then you can go to marketing. Under marketing on Shopify, it allows you to do email marketing, email follow-ups, on your customers, so that they wanna buy through via emails, guys. Email marketing, it is so powerful. Do not sleep on this feature on Shopify. You're gonna make a lot of sales by sending emails in your customers. Okay. Then you can also offer some discounts, especially on holidays. It is important to offer some discounts, 25% off, so that you can get more orders in a Shopify store. Okay. Then you can also go to online store. You're gonna see these done for you themes on Shopify that you can just add them right away in your Shopify store, guys. Okay, when you look at these done for you themes here, based on your niche, guys, if you're in a beauty, you can just click to add. This product is gonna be added straight into your own Shopify account. Let's take a look at this one for clothing brand. If you are selling t-shirt or caps, for men, you can just select this one. It's gonna take you to this page. You can change this domain, put your own domain here on Shopify. It is so simple. And also what you can do here, you can change this logo, put your own logo, design your own logo, or hire someone, other freelancers, to design these logos for you automatically. Or you can also hire freelancers on Fiverr to design for you these stores for you automatically, guys. You can pay $15, $25 to design your own Shopify stores on Fiverr. It is simple, guys. It is so simple. You can do this, okay? And also what you can do here on Shopify, you can change this store, into your own, guys, okay? Change the colors here, the pricing, the way that you want. So let's talk about the pricing, this free trial on Shopify. When you click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video, it's gonna take you to this page. So this page, this is where, guys, that you can able to get started using Shopify for 30 days free trial. I highly recommend that when you want to pay on a daily basis, so that, guys, you can save up to 25% off. So that's it, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. May God bless you. Sharp.